Let's take it across to Kunal and Nooresh and find out what are the chartbusters that they've identified in trade. Kunal, what's on your radar?
So it's the stock which we discussed in the morning. M&M was mentioning that how the stock had come back into a bit of an oversold territory as well as a very good support for itself. So this is the short-term charts for M&M over the last few months, where the stock over the last many months from 1500 levels towards a point when the stock was almost at the 2000 mark. Over here, the key pattern which we are spotting is that the stock every time goes into a phase of a mild correction. Sometimes the correction is just about few percentage points for the stock, and sometimes it's restricted towards 5 to 7 percentage points. The correction somehow halts at this key moving average. This is the 50-day moving average, exponential moving average for M&M, and I believe that this is acting as a very crucial support point for the stock in the last few months of this uptrend as well as a corrective phase. Currently also the stock on Friday's closing has come back to this very short-term key moving average support. So I would believe that at current levels of 1800 broadly, the stock could be a very attractive buy. Few days of consolidation, but I think eventually the stock should come back into a breakout as well as a retest of the 2000 plus mark.
Okay, thanks for that. That's M&M in the spotlight. Nooresh, meantime, what's your chartbuster call?
So that's the chart for Bharti Airtel. If you look at it, it's been a slow and steady uptrend over the last few months. In the short term, gave a flag breakout about 1150, 1160, went up to 1200, 1220, very close to the previous all-time highs, and then consolidated for the last 4-5 sessions. And now today we are hitting a new fresh all-time high. So clearly strong momentum as well as relative strength. Expecting this to go towards 1300 to 1450 in the short term. Stop loss to be now kept at 1180.
Right, that's Bharti Airtel and M&M, your chartbuster calls. But our chartists are also going to flag out some of their top recommendations. What's looking good, Kunal?
So two buy calls. The first one is by Info Edge. The stock is slowly and steadily graduating towards a breakout above 5,200 plus levels. So buy with a target of 54.50 and stop us at 5150. And Britannia is the other stock which is inching towards a breakout above 4,900 plus levels. So would suggest to buy with 5,150 as a target and stop us at 4,900.
Right, Nooresh, what's the stock picks that you have?
So first is a buy on Tata Steel. Good recovery from the support levels of 140, confirming a reversal now. A target price of 155 plus, stop loss at 138. Second is a buy on Axis Bank, back to the lower end of the trading range. Bounce back from here could be towards 1130, stop loss at 1030.
Okay, there you have it. All of our chartists running you through their top recommendations.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.